Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Dr. Neha Ronald William, is going to teach you about pneumonia. Definition: Pneumonia is an inflammatory lung condition which primarily affects the small air sacs known as alveoli. A common lung infection characterized by the accumulation of pus and other fluid in the air sac of the lung is pneumonia. Structure that aid in the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide are lung and air sac. In them, gathering pus makes it difficult to breathe. Many kinds of microorganisms, including bacteria, virus, fungi, or parasites, may cause pneumonia. These species into the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes, and breathing in this air contributes to contraction. Epidemiology: about 450 million people worldwide are affected by pneumonia, resulting in around 4 million deaths each year. In the 19th century, William Alster regarded pneumonia as the captain of the man of death. Survival increased with the advent of antibiotic and vaccine in the 20th century. Nevertheless, pneumonia remained a leading cause of death in developed countries and among the very old, very young, and the chronically ill. Among those already close to death, pneumonia frequently shortened misery and thus have been named the old man friend. Agent factor: viruses, bacteria, fungi can all cause pneumonia. Host factor: age especially greater than 50 years, immunosuppressive therapy, bacteria, intubated patient, etc. Environmental factors: exposure to dust, fumes, and various chemicals. Incubation period 2 to 4 weeks. Mode of transmission: pneumonia may be transmitted by someone who is sneezing or coughing. Small droplets scatter in the air when an individual sneezes or coughs. The contagious organism produces certain droplets. They are then inhaled and can cause pneumonia in some instances. This is particularly relevant for individuals who are already ill with AIDS as a result of something like the flu or worse. How, in ways other than someone sneezing in your face, you might potentially get pneumonia. Bacteria or viruses that are already in your nose and throat will cure pneumonia. If this species spread from there to the lung, they might cause pneumonia. Transmission species causes pneumonia. Symptoms: symptoms of pneumonia may be mild to life threatening. The most common pneumonia symptoms can include cough with mucus fever, chill, sweating, chest pain, shortness of breath. Symptoms of viral pneumonia. Viral pneumonia such as wheezing can start with flu-like symptoms. After 12 to 36 hours, a fever can occur. Symptoms: bacterial pneumonia, along with profuse sweating, bluish lips, nails, and confusion. It can cause a high fever as 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Laboratory diagnosis: blood tests, sputum examination, pulse oximetry, urine analysis, CT scan, etc. Prevention and control. Generally, pneumonia can be prevented by pneumonia vaccine, Prevnar 13, Pneumonovax 23. Home treatment: take prescribed blood, take rest, drink plenty of water. Fluid hospitalization: you will need to be treated if the symptoms are very serious or you have any health concern. Physician can keep track of the heart rate, temperature, breathing at the hospital. Therapy can include IV antibiotics, fourth antibiotic administration, respiratory therapy, oxygen therapy, etc. Other prevention tips: in addition to vaccination to prevent pneumonia, there are other things you should follow. Try to stop if you smoke. Smoking makes you more susceptible pneumonia to respiratory infection. On a daily basis, wash your hand with soap and water. Cover your cough and sneeze and dispose immediately, especially the tissues used. To boost the immune system, maintain a balanced lifestyle, get ample rest, eat balanced diet, and exercise regularly.